and we got tape here. Headlight kit. Let me see. Headlights here, driving lights, support bracket bolt nuts maybe, and harness, and instruction. For the driving light or high beam signal, you can tap into this two, either one of the fuse here, this one and this, which is this here, this one, this, either one of these. So now, yeah, just but the headlights just kind of too big to fit in, so we'll do this way, but then you probably can tell. So the headlights, once it fit in, won't sit really flat. So what I'm going to do, just kind of grind it a little bit, the half moon, so the headlight will be kind of a little bit sitting properly. Okay, doing more work here. Look at that. I think that will do it. Very good. Driving lights be mounted nice and tight. Now I'm going to do the hook up the winding harness. Yeah. Was a black here, so I just remove that. Now we're going to put this driving light switch like this. Because that's it. No. Yeah. Something like that. This is without do the okay. There's a part number here for the headlights signal. So when you see this plug, the red one to the fuse, and to the fuse, the black wire to the ground. Connection of a switch here. I show you how to do. This is the wiring set here. Now the headlights good. Nothing. Headlights off. Headlights on. For this blue wire to the driving light switch, you just need to tuck into the one of the dashing light. Right, just remove this seat heated control, and so that for the illumination to the driving light switch, I tuck in this yellow wire, something like this. Yeah. Something like this. The headlights on, illuminations on. Alright, let's all tuck in there. The relays here. What's going to the inside the cabin? The pickup from the fuse, and the front run to the driving light.